All right. Well, the Federal Reserve is going to make the decision on Wednesday, the 17th of September. 25 points basis cuts. That's what they should be doing. That's what they will do. And who knows what the market's going to do. I think last time they cut rates, the stocks went higher. Yields also went higher. It was strange. I think that was the case. Or maybe stocks dropped. But either way, it doesn't matter to me if stocks go up or stocks goes down. There's opportunities to make money both ways. And there's also opportunities to pick up some stocks that go on sale if that's the case. Let's see. Check out the watch list. Precigen, that was one that we used to own when it was $1. It's now at 380. We're completely out of it. We made a profit. We didn't make the full profit, but they just recently got FDA approval. So check out Precigen if you want. Five Below, we've been in and out of that before. We had it when it was at $85. I think we sold it at a little over 100, but we're out of that. Guardant Health, that's a good stock. We were in there low. We're out of that one now. DigitalOcean Holdings, that's still on our radar. This seems to be one that you buy in the high too. So if it gets around 28, 29, we'll see what the Fed rates do. If there's a drop in the market significantly, I might jump into this if it drops below 30. Elf Beauty, we've owned that before, made a little bit of money, not the full bang on that one. Toast, we've owned that before. We've sold it a lot higher than where it is here, but we're completely out of that. We are in Galat Satellite Networks. That is a Israel satellite company. We're doing well on that. I would purchase more of this if it dropped maybe 20%, but I don't know if that's going to be the case. This one's a slow growth mover. Shark Ninja, we've owned that one before. I think we sold it like around 115. Got in around in the 80s. That was a nice one. TMF we haven't owned in a while. I should have picked this up when it was at its low in the like low 30s, especially with the Fed lowering interest rates. That would be a nice one to get into. But this one I think will come back. Like I said, I think last time the Fed lowered interest rates and the yields went up. CorMedix, we've owned that recently. We were in at 10 and change and got out at 13. Genius Sports. This is like a Genie. This is like I think they do mostly like sports advertising, and you can look more into that one. We've owned that one before. Made some money, got out. Coca-Cola, we used to own that one, but it doesn't grow. It's a slow grower, a slow mover. Resolve, yep, we got in there at 208, and now it's at 676. We got out of our initial investment, so everything that we have writing is 100% free and clear. I don't care if it goes to zero, but I hope it goes to 1,000%. Right now we're at 220, like 5% gain on that one, but we are out of our initial position. So, hey, you can do whatever it wants. I do not care. I've never purchased Recursion Pharmaceutical. Look into that one. That one can move from 4 to 7. I got my eye on Liquidity Services. That's government auctions. Celsius, we've owned that one before. AES, that's the electronic green energy company. It doesn't really move. Has a nice yield. We bought the recent IPO of Klarna. We're down like 2% or something in that one. New Holdings we used to own. I think we bought it at 10 and sold it at 12. It's now at 15. Wish I would have held on to that one. We own Novo Nordisk. We got in at 48. It's at 54. I'm just holding it. It doesn't seem like it wants to really move. Even when the market's down, this thing just stays at around 54. So I think we're gonna hang out on this one for a while. Nebius, we bought that at 35 and sold it at 60. Missed that big day when it was up. Oh my gosh, it was up. What was it? I don't know, 50% or something. Yeah, it jumped $30 in a day with that big deal with Microsoft. So I missed that one. It has come in. I think it was over at 100, so it's coming back down. That could be interesting if it gets in the low 80s. I might grab it again. Honest Company, I don't know. I'm not too excited about this company. It was down at 360 recently. I should have grabbed it. So I might take it. If it gets back down there, I might grab it. I guess I'm not interested in wipes and diapers and that type of stuff. But it just recently became profitable. So that is one that could be headed up in the near future. And not too long ago, it was at $8. iBit. Yeah, I don't own Bitcoin straight out. I just find it Coinbase is so expensive with the selling and buying fees. I just buy iBit. It's easier for me. It's cheaper, and I just want to make money. So we're up nicely here. I mean, I can't put any more money. I would love to put more money into iBit, but it has to drop like 20% for it to make it worth it for me. I'll just write out the gains. Figure Technology IPO'd recently. I just bought it. I think we're up. We got in at 31 and something. Grab Holdings we own. We're in there at I think somewhere around 5. So this one moved up. This thing was up 8% on Friday. Yeah, that was nice. So these are the stocks that are on my radar. I'm hoping that there might be a drop when the Fed releases their decision, because I would like to pick up some more, either purchase more of the stocks that I already own or get something new. We'll see. But yep, 25 basis point is what's going to be. Markets have priced in the move already. Yep. Risk assets such as Bitcoin, gold, and equities remain positioned for long-term gains. That's good. What else are they saying here? According to the latest CPI report released by the U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics, consumer prices are still on the rise. I know life is expensive. I can't. Every time I go to the grocery store, I get 2 bags of groceries. It's $80. I'm like, what the heck did I just buy? Consumer price index rate from 2.9 from 2.7. It's going higher. Shelter. Yeah, every year the property taxes keep going up. Every year I have to spend another $100 a month in my mortgage because the damn property taxes keep going up. Food. I go to the grocery store, buy 2 bags. You know it's going to be 60 to 80 bucks. Gasoline. Doesn't affect me too much. I mean, I do have a gas guzzler, but I don't drive that much, so that's fine with me. But I do use gas. Well, I use gas for heating, but not gasoline. What else is going on here? I think we just need to wait and see how the week plays out. They say September is supposed to be a kind of a month where stocks drop, but they've been going higher. So I wonder if this Fed decision on Wednesday will kind of knock it down a bit. We'll see. Non-farm there's 22,000 in non-farm payrolls increase. That's nothing. Unemployment's holding steady at 4.3. But labor force participation remained at 6.2. I know there's a lot of there's company layoffs and there's not a lot of hiring going on. So I have noticed that. So I think the stock market is strong, but the economy feels like it's kind of weak with the hiring and the layoffs and the wages. Bond markets. What else is here? All right, I think that's pretty much it. I'm just trying to see if there's any new information. I would love to see Bitcoin get back up to its all-time high of 124. Let's go, baby. I mean, let's go to 200,000. But we're just gonna hold it. I really don't care if it goes higher or lower. I'll buy more. I'm just I put money into stocks, and I don't know. I will buy and sell. But what I really want to do is just hold on to these stocks and try to 5x, 10x some of these. So I think that's pretty much it. Hope you are doing well. Let's see how the week turns out. Let me know what stocks you're eyeing up in the comments, because I'm always looking for new stock. I have 247 stocks on my watch list, not on Google Finance, but on Yahoo, that I'm always looking over every day as I kind of go through the day, see what's popping, see what's dropping. But let me know what's on your radar. I'm always looking to replace stocks or add new ones to my watch list. So let me know what you're looking at. Hope you're doing well. Take care. Bye.